You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words and vocabulary, including from anatomy and medical terms. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more correct pronunciations. Two different ways of pronouncing it in English. In British English, this is said as uterine, stress on the first syllable, uterine. In American English, however, it is generally said as uterine, uterine in American English, or uterine in British English. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.